Good morning, children. Now we are going to see the subject English. In that lesson name is Too Big, Too Small. In the previous class, I took tick the correct one. I wrote on the board. Okay. Then who said these words? Choose and write. Then I gave some meanings and past tense I gave. Children, listen. Take 180 page. Ruled, double ruled. And write subject name English. Classwork. And you start writing this. Write the lesson name. Write lesson number 1 and write the heading lesson name. Too big, too small. Now I will write the question answer. You write. Before I took these headings. Pick the correct one. Then who said these words. Then meanings. Then past tense I gave. After that you also take a note. You will be written in rough notebook. Copy that one in the classwork and maintain a single notebook for English. Now take 80 page double ruled English classwork and start writing, children. Write neatly. This is the margin in your classwork note. Write this one above the red line. Okay. Now I am saying this one as Roman letter 1. After writing this question answer, you wrote in rough notebook, that one you continue in the next page. Okay. Understand, children? Question and answer. ANSWER. You are going to write the question and then answer. QUESTION. Question and 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 answer. ANSWER. This is heading. Then first question we are going to see now. Is as I am saying and writing, you also say and write. Start, children. is MANO. Leave one finger space. Is Mano big. BIG. Touch the two line and write. ENOUGH. Is Mano big enough to TO2? Come to the next line because space won't be enough in your notebook. So come to the next line. Enough to walk. 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 TO2. School. 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 Alone. 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 Question mark. Now I am going to write answer now. ANS is answer. Is Mano big enough to walk to school alone? What is the meaning for this sentence? Mano big enough பெரியவனா இருக்கானா, அவனால ஸ்கூலுக்கு தனியா போக முடியுமா? Alone means தனியா. உங்களால ஸ்கூலுக்கு தனியா போக முடியுமா? Are you big enough? No. You are not big enough. Only your parents will guide you to take you to school. No. Mano. You write here no, N-O, no. Put here comma. Then see the question. Mano is there. M-A-N-O. M-A-N-O. No. Mano can't walk. 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 Alone. 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 You come to the next line. TO2. School. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. No, Mano can't walk alone to school. மனோனால தனியாக ஸ்கூலுக்கு போக முடியாது. அதனால் no. Leave one line, children. Then write second one. Then only it will be neat. Then only your notebook will be neat. Okay. W-H-Y. Why? Can't. C-A-N. Put here one small comma here up. Mano can't make. M-A-K-E. Why can't Mano? Why can't Mano? Mano make. M-A-K-E. Make. Dosa. D-O-S-A. Put here question mark. Answer. Now I am going to write the answer. Why can't Mano make dosa? Mano can't prepare dosa. Why? எதனால மனோக்கு வந்து தோசை சுட முடியல? Mano. M-A-N-O. Mano is. I-S is too. T-O-O. Too. Small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. T-O. Too. Make. M-A-K-E. Make. D-O-S-A. Finish the sentence. Keep your full stop. See, here also one full stop is there. Finish the sentence. Mano is too small to make dosa. This one is too. This one is too. Mano வந்து ரொம்ப சின்னதாக குட்டியாக இருக்கு. அதனால் வந்து தோசை வந்து ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ண முடியல. Mano is too small to make dosa. Now third one. Leave one line here. W-H-Y. Why? Why can't? C-A-N-T. Can't. Put a small comma up. Why can't Mano? M-A-N-O. Mano climb. C-L-I-M-B. Climb. On. O-N. On. G-R-A-N-D. Grandpa. P-A. G-R-A-N-D-P-A. Grandpa's. S. And apostrophe S. Back. B-A-C-K. Question mark. Now I am going to write answer. Mano. M-A-N-O. Mano is too big. Mano is too big to climb. C-L-I-M-B. To climb on grandpa's back. G-R-A-N-D. Grandpa's back. B-A-C-K. Back. Finish the sentence. Keep your full stop. Mano is too big to climb on grandpa's back. Mano is too big. அதனால் அவங்க தாத்தாவால் அவனை வந்து தூக்க முடியல. கிராண்ட்பாவுடைய பேக்கில் வந்து தூக்க முடியல. குட்டி பையனாக இருந்தால் ஈஸியாக தூக்கிடலாம். இவன் வந்து டூ பிக். அதனால் கிராண்ட்பாஸுடைய பேக்கில் வந்து தூக்க முடியல. M-A-N-O. Mano is I-S is T-O-O. Too. Big. B-I-G. Big. Too. T-O. Too. Climb. C-L-I-M-B. Climb. On. O-N. On. G-R-A-N-D. Grand. P-A. Pa. Grandpa. Apostrophe S. Grandpa's. Back. B-A-C-K. Back. Write neatly, children. leave space between the words, leave one line here. After finishing one question and answer, leave one line here. After finishing one question, answer, leave one line here. Then leave space between the words, because you are writing in your new classwork, no? After long days you are started writing now. So, write neatly. Finished, children? Abdul Rahman finished? Junaid? Page number 76 in your book. Match the words with the picture. See the picture, children. See here. Here one cat. Only one cat is there. So you are drawing the lines matching it. One cat. O-N-E, one C-A-T, cat. Then here three cats are there. 1, 2, 3. So you match to this. T-H-R-E-E, 3 cats. C-A-T-S. 3 cats. Here one van is there. O-N-E, one, V-A-N, van. One van. See here two vans. Where you see? See here T-W-O, 2, V-A-N-S. 2 vans. Then here how many ship is there? 1, 2, 3, 4 ship is there. Here one is there. So match it here. O-N-E, one, S-H-I-P, ship, one ship. Here 4 ship. F-O-U-R, 4, S-H-I-P-S, ships, 4 ships. Now Roman letter 2. Add A, D, D. Add. Yes. We are going to add yes. T-O-2, make. M-A-K-E, make. 1, O-N-E, 1 into many. M-A-N-Y, many. This is heading. First one, ball. B-A-L-L, ball. See, balls. You are going to add yes. See here, yes. You are going to add yes to this word. Second one, apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. You are going to add yes here in the last here. A-P-P-L-E, yes, apples. Here see, ball means one ball. Apple means one apple. Balls means 2 or 3 balls, more than one. One vida jaasthiya irundha da nama balls nu solvom. See here, apple, one apple. Apples, many. 2, 3, 4, like that, many. See here, this one is one chalk piece. Okay, this is 1. This is 2, like that only. One ball means one ball. Balls means 2 balls, like that. Cap. C-A-P. You are going to add yes. C-A-P-S. Caps. Next one, dog. D-O-G, dog. Dogs. D-O-G-S, dogs. This is in page number 76. You write in your book also and in classwork also. Page number 76. Egg. E-G-G. Egg. Eggs. E-G-G-S. Add yes in the last. You write here. You will be having space down itself, ma. You write here itself. Okay. I am writing here because for me no space here. Frog. F-R-O-G. R O G, frog. F R O G S, add S. Then pig, P I G, pig, P I G S, pigs. Hut, H U T, hut, H U T S, huts. Apple, ball, ball means one ball, balls means many, more than one, ball means pandu. Apple, A P P L E, apple, apples, A P P L E S, apples, apples means apple, நம்ம ஃப்ரூட் சாப்பிடுவோம்ல, ஆப்பிள் ரெட் கலரில் இருக்கும்ல, அது ஆப்பிள். Cap, cap means தொப்பி, C A P, cap, caps, C A P S, caps. Dog, D O G, dog, dogs, D O G S, dogs. Egg, dog means நாய், நாய்கள் சொல்லுவோம்ல, ரெண்டு இருக்கு, ரெண்டு இல்லை 3 4 5, more than one. Egg, E G G, egg, eggs, எக்னா என்னம்மா, முட்டை, நம்ம லஞ்சுக்கு முட்டை வச்சு சாப்பிடுவோம்ல, முட்டை ஆம்லேட், அது முட்டை. E G G, egg, eggs, E G G S, eggs. Frog, F R O G, frog, frogs, F R O G S, frogs, frogs means தவளை, தண்ணிக்குள்ளே தவளை கத்தோம்ல, அதுதான் தவளை, frogs. Pig, P I G, pig, P I G S, pigs. பிக்ஸ்னா என்னம்மா, பன்றி, அது ஒரு அனிமல், டொமஸ்டிக் அனிமல், பன்றி, ரோட்லலாம் பன்றி இருக்கும், பன்றி குட்டிகள் எல்லாம் இருக்கும் ரோட்டில். P I G, pig, pigs, P I G S, pigs. Hut, H U T, hut, huts, H U T S, huts. ஹட்டுன்னா என்ன, குடிசை, ஓலை வீடு தான் குடிசை சொல்லுவோம் நம்ம. Copy it in your class work, children, write neatly. Read, you should write and read. Same page number 76 only, this one also. F I L L, fill, I N, in, the, T H E, the, fill in the missing, M I S S I N G, fill in the missing letter, L E T T E R S, letters. This is heading. 1. C O T, here you have to fill, C O T, cot. Second one, shirt, yes, see dash is there, I dash, what will come here, S H I R T, this one is shirt. Then B, here by, dash here, B dash, B dash, B A B Y, baby. In your textbook, no, here picture will be there, okay. This is cot, cuttle. Then shirt. Then here baby picture, baby is lying down. Baby is lying on the mat. Okay, this one is baby. Copy it in your classwork and write neatly and read again and again. Writing neatly, children. We will continue the exercise in the next class. Okay. Thank you, children.